Mosquitron is a product from Hyperstech, a company known for its high-tech gadgets. While the product is relatively new in the market, it has had great success in trapping and killing bugs such as flies, moths, and mosquitoes. It works like a smaller version of conventional bug zappers and looks like them too. Out of the box, the unit packs a great-looking cylindrical shape that would look great in any room or outdoor space. You can power the unit via USB or mains power, whichever is available. Its size, look, and mode of operation give it an advantage over other units currently on the market. Features and benefits. 360-degree violent technology. Mosquitron emits light from all directions from its top section. The lamp's light is visible from a long distance, up to 40 meters. This light from all directions attracts insects. The fan draws them in, sucked into the tray, and killed. Compact and portable. If you need a mosquito killer you can carry on your next trip, the Mosquitron might be a great choice. The unit stands at 7 inches with a diameter of about 5 inches. Easy to clean ABS plastic. ABS plastic is a thermoplastic polymer used in making strong and sturdy plastic devices. Unlike the weak plastic that breaks on the first impact, ABS lasts through the years. Plastic is not only safe for you and your family, but also for the environment. ABS plastic gives the Mosquitron a long productive life and makes it easy to clean. The exterior of the unit wipes clean with ease. Better yet, the unit is waterproof, so that you can use it outdoors. Wide coverage. Mosquitron can attract insects from up to 40 meters away. As such, you do not need to be near the device to kill mosquitoes that distract you. Plug and play. There are no complicated setups with the Mosquitron. The unit plugs into all USB devices, or standard wall plug with a USB slot. Once connected into a power source, all you need to do is press the single button at the top of the mosquito trap. Smart light sensor. Mosquitron works by attracting mosquitoes, sucking them in, and killing them. To do that, the device draws power from any USB device to power the LED, light-emitting diodes, bulbs on the top cover of the unit. The LED bulbs emit blue ultraviolet wavelengths that attract mosquitoes. Mesh prevents mosquitoes from escaping. Once the bugs and mosquitoes get into the box, they can never come out. They sit on the mesh and are pulled into the tray by the vortex created by the powerful fan. No radiation and no chemicals. Although this mosquito lamp emits UV light, it does not emit radiation. The light is harmless, and you no longer have to worry about any effects from the light or the device. Low power use with no noise. Rated at 5 volts, the mosquito light is energy efficient when used in or out of the house. As an indoor mosquito trap, it will not add any significant amount to your electricity bills. When using it outdoors, you can connect it to your mobile device, computer, or a power bank. Thanks to its low voltage, it will not drain your computer in a few hours. A device anyone can use. Anyone can use Mosquitron. It is as easy to use as plugging it in and press the power button. The elderly and children can benefit from this unit, seeing it is not so technologically advanced to confuse them. Again, you do not have to worry about the risk of catching fire as long as the plug stays dry. Price and warranty. These two are not features, but I felt they make this mosquito light impressive. The device is affordable, and you even get a discount for buying more than one unit. Better still, you get a lifetime warranty on the purchase of the product. You also get a 1-year money-back guarantee. Mosquitron solves many problems for you. For starters, it kills mosquitoes without the use of harmful chemicals, no radiation, and no smells. By killing the mosquitoes, it allows you to enjoy your sleep at home or your camp away from home. Not only do you sleep comfortably, but you also stay safe from diseases such as Zika virus, malaria, dengue virus, yellow fever, and West Nile virus. Better still, After the initial purchase, you do not have to spend money on refills that you would with repellents and sprays. Once in a while, you might buy replacement parts, but the unit can operate for years without the need for any replacement parts. Now you can buy a UV Mosquitron lamp. Check the description and buy now. Thank you.